Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I want to tell you something how I learned English. I'm from a village. There's no education, no knowledge of English, and how I learned. In this video, I will tell you. 2 years ago, I want to trying to speak English, but I have no idea how to explain something in English. But I have fear about to making mistakes. But now I speak confidently. Then I make a goal almost 2 to 3 months. I have consistently learned English because I know English is important. Today I am free, I have the time to learn English, but maybe 1 year, 2 years later, if I have no time, I will busy in something, another work. So that's time I realize and I learn consistently with internet like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, AI assistant. I'm talking with them, and I also watching YouTube videos like TED Talk videos, newspapers, and BBC English Learning. And because if you have an inside feeling to learn English, then you have to learn because it's important. Don't waste your time in stupid thing like watching Facebook Reels, YouTube Reels. What do you gain from these kind of videos? If you learn English, it will give you more opportunities in your life. Realize that.